Uchechukwu Ozioma Nweke arrives last. He is 61 years old. He has lived in Phnom Penh for 9 years and still walks into every room as though he is assessing its load-bearing walls. Old habit, engineer's eyes. Ikenna Udochukwu is at one end of the plastic table, arms folded, jaw set. 44 years old and wearing his anger like a pressed shirt. Everything immaculate, nothing loose. Nkem Dirim Osuagweze is at the other end, phone face down, chin slightly raised. They have not spoken. The air between them has a particular density of two men who have been talking about each other to everyone except each other for 6 weeks. Uchechukwu sets his cloth bag on the table. He does not sit yet. He reaches in and places the white saucer down. On it, the kola nut, a single lobe, pale and waxy under the fluorescent light. Neither man looks at it directly. Both men have seen it. Uchechukwu sits. Ndewo. No. I am Yvonne Choma Mbanefo, heritage futurist and daughter of the soil. Welcome to Igbo Daily Drops, episode 58, week 12, day 3, Wednesday. Today, the ancient protocol that makes honest conversation mandatory. When an Igbo person breaks kola, they are not offering a snack. They are opening a covenantal session, calling the ancestors as witnesses, declaring that everything said in this room from this moment carries spiritual weight. Ka anyị bido. Let us begin. Uchechukwu looks at the kola. Ọjị abịarutela ụlọ. Kola nut has arrived home. He does not say it to Ikenna. He does not say it to Nkem Dirim. He says it to the room. The way a man says something he has said 10,000 times and means 10,000 times more than the words carry. Nkem Dirim straightens his collar. For no reason. Twice. The kola nut does not care about the association accounts. He does not care about the 6 weeks of WhatsApp messages that have fractured 34 Igbo people across Phnom Penh into 2 silent camps. It was old before Nigeria was a word, and it has its own protocol in Igbo tradition. The Ewoji, the kola nut breaking ceremony, opens every significant gathering, not as decoration, as authentication. The session is now witnessed. The ancestors are in the room. Today, 3 sentences, the phrases that open covenantal space, invite right action, and declare the purpose of the gathering. Repeat after me. Sentence 1. Ọjị abịarutela ụlọ. In English, kola nut has arrived home. Ọjị abịarutela ụlọ. Ọjị abịarutela ụlọ. Ọjị abịarutela ụlọ. The sentence Uchechukwu speaks before either man decides whether to yield. Sentence 2. Biko, wara anyị ọjị a. In English, please break the kola nut for us. Biko, wara anyị ọjị a. Biko, wara anyị ọjị a. biko wara anyị ọjị a. The request and the duty in one breath. And anyị, us, includes those no longer living. Sentence 3. Onye wetara ọjị wetara ndụ. In English, he who brings kola brings life. Onye wetara ọjị wetara ndụ. Onye wetara ọjị wetara ndụ. Onye wetara ọjị wetara ndụ. Not addressed to the men, to the room. These 3 sentences are in your free speaking workbook this week. Download it at learnibonow.com. If you are driving right now, just listen. The workbook will be waiting. Uchechukwu picks up the kola. His hands are steady. He places one lobe in front of Ikenna, one in front of Nkemdirim, one on the saucer, for those who are not in the room and are always in the room. Then he speaks, quietly, without ceremony, without looking at either man. Onye wetara ọjị wetara ndụ. The men eat. Nothing is resolved. Ikenna's arms have loosened slightly. Nkemdirim's phone is still face down. Outside on Street 278, a tuk-tuk accelerates past. But the session is open now. The ancestors are present. Whatever these 2 men say next will be witnessed. Mmadụ abụọ na-alụ ọgụ. Onye nke atọ bata, o gbuo ha. Gbuo ha ya bụ ọgụ. Mmadụ abụọ na-alụ ọgụ. Onye nke atọ bata, o gbuo ha ya bụ ọgụ. People are fighting. The third person who arrives and brings them to order. That is what stops the war. Who did not argue. Take sides. Placed a single kola nut on a white saucer. Asia, and let 9,000 years of protocol do the work. Abụọ na-alụ ọgụ. Onye nke atọ bata, o gbuo ha ya bụ ọgụ. Mmadụ abụọ na-alụ ọgụ. Onye nke atọ bata, o gbuo ha ya bụ ọgụ. When 2 people are fighting, the third person who arrives and brings them to order. That is what ends the war. The third person does not win the argument. They change the ground on which it is being fought. We grew up watching the eldest man clear his throat before touching the kola nut, and we knew. The ancestors are listening now. What we witnessed was not ceremony. It was judicial summons. Seberechukwu Ndiukwu, Catholic priest, theologian, researcher at the University of Wurzburg, documented this in 2014 in his peer-reviewed monograph, Authenticity of Belief in African Igbo Traditional Religion, published by Young Academic Research. His finding, the blessing and sharing of kola nut, creates communion between the living and the dead, and this is the part that stops the room. People in enmity do not share kola nut until they are reconciled. The sharing is not symbolic. It is the reconciliation. The philosophy Ndiukwu records, since we can eat The philosophy Ndiukwu records, since we can eat together, we can dialogue together. Yoruba elders practice a parallel hospitality covenant through the sharing of bitter kola before any significant negotiation. The Akan of Ghana open councils with libation that calls the ancestors as witnesses. Across West Africa, the same architecture. Before the words, the witnesses. Before the argument, the authentication. What Igbo tradition codified in the Iwoji, restorative justice practitioners formalized in the 1970s under the term judicial witnessing, the documented finding that the presence of acknowledged witnesses changes what participants are willing to say and are willing to hear. Uchechukwu did not mediate. He installed witnesses. No perjury law is more effective than an ancestor watching. Before this day ends, say onye wetaroji wetarando as you sit down at the table with someone you have been avoiding, not as language practice, as an intention. The third person who arrives and changes the ground, that can be you. Every sentence you learn is a drop, and every drop feeds Oke Osimiri Mmụta Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. Grab your free speaking workbook at learnigbonow.com. Rate us wherever you're listening. Your review is how another learner finds their way home. This has been your Igbo Daily Drop. Abụ nwanne gị nwanyị Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo. I am your sister Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo. Ka ọjị gị wee weta ndụ n'ụlọ gị. May your kola nut bring life into your house. Ka anyị hụ echi. Until we meet again tomorrow.